in the process of dropping out the engine and trans. I removed the front bumper, just give me more room. Removed the intake and left the throttle body on. Disconnected all the wiring all the way around that underneath. Alternator, starter. Then you got the one wire that goes all the way around for the VTEC solenoid and the crank sensor. Then all the transmission connectors that connect down there. Then you got some up front for the solenoids. And remove AC lines that connect down there. And leave engine and transmission mounts on for now. Then the way I'm doing it is I'm going to drop the whole thing with the strut. So I zip tied caliper up so I don't lose brake fluid. And then